So, U.S. President Joe Biden used his first big presidential moment on the global stage at Friday's Group of Seven meeting of world leaders to announce that the U.S. will soon begin releasing $4 billion worth for international effort to bolster the purchase and distribution of coronavirus vaccines to poor nations. A round of applause for Uncle Joe.
Is your uncle?
Is everybody's uncle.
Wow, everybody.
Good old Uncle Joe, man.
Look how quickly you guys have, like, thrown
It's a
away
good
the uncle
thing,
before.
though. No, but it's a good thing because think about it. I mean,
Yeah, I'm happy that they want to help the entire world to bolster vaccine availability.
Yeah.
But I would like to see, like, it works.
The vaccine itself
properly.
works.
Right.
Yeah.
So you can, work it in your first world countries and then, hey, we can get it afterwards.
Yeah. Oh, so you're suggesting that Uncle Joe makes sure that it's working in there.
All I'm saying, ensure that it works.
Okay.
And then you can send it to us.
Yeah.
And
hey, I think a lot of the vaccines now, you have what, 2 of them, I think, or 3 of them that are still.
I think you have several. I think China has one.
Yeah, but
Russia has one. US has one. I think Cuba has.
But the ones that have
one.
been approved, though,
Right.
by WHO,
yeah.
not all of them have been approved yet. Because even up to yesterday in the press conference, or 2 days ago, I was hearing that the Johnson's & Johnson's is yet to be approved.
Right.
And
have they started distribution yet?
I don't think so. I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
But I'm kind of against a little bit that you have one entity that will approve all vaccines, because that can be manipulated. The WHO, yeah, I think it's just if it can be proven that it's effective,
yeah,
fine.
Yeah, it's it's so touch and go at this point. You know what I mean? It's really touch and go at this point. What's still not what's still not really reassuring to me is, if I get the vaccine, I'm thinking in my head I should not be getting this virus again. But they're telling me there's a possibility that I could still get the virus.
If I'm going to get the vaccine, I'm going to throw away all my masks.
Yeah.
I'm hugging up everybody. Social distancing is out the door for me. But if it is I'm getting the vaccine, I still have to do all these things, then why the vaccine?
Well, let us see.
I'm just saying, let it work. Let it work, and then. But I applaud the efforts that they are putting it at the forefront to help other nations.
There are a lot of nations that will need help.
Don't help with the vaccines. Help it across the board. All of other things will help it too.
Yeah.
So we go for myself. Anyway, the government has said it's initiated a criminal investigation into the security vulnerability associated with the Jam COVID app. Now, on Wednesday, the Ministry of National Security reported that a security vulnerability associated with the file storage service on the Jam COVID-19 application was discovered on Tuesday. I remember when I heard the story first, it was in a discussion before I actually read the actual story. And the first thing somebody said, and if they want to implement needs.
Yeah, you see, I was going to say no comment. I said, producer, can I say no comment, please? But, I have to say, though, that it's not it just not give me reassurance that when I give up my information through needs, that this won't happen again.
But the thing is, it's how long has it been out, the Jam COVID-19 app? It's almost a year.
Almost only one year.
And you just realize that the information can be accessed publicly. What has been happening with all that? And you won't see
comments. I don't want to comment.
The repercussions of this vulnerability until down the line. Till somebody say, this information I have, I'm so make a wreak havoc with it. So.
Yeah, and not only that, but if this is accessible, not just for seeing, can it be edited? You know what I mean? Like, can it be manipulated? And
Right. You see,
all of these little things you have to consider. All of these little something you have to just.
So pretty soon you'll be 6'4", dark skin with green eyes.
Leave me alone, Dofton, please. I just want to move on. Next.
With 6 big toes.
Next topic, please. Thank you very much. So, Jamaican vocalist, and pioneer of toasting, URoy Beckford, better known to the world as Daddy URoy, Oh, wow. He died. His partner, Marcia Smikle, confirmed to the Gleaner. He passed away at 11:10 last night, or a couple of nights ago, rather, because it's Saturday today, at the University Hospital of the West Indies after undergoing surgery there. It really was a blow when we heard about it, you know, on Wednesday.
Yeah.
Because, yeah, I mean, Shaggy said we really lost a hero, and Beenie Man pledged really that, you know, his legacy would live on. But I didn't realize how impactful his contribution was until I saw like international people saying, you know, you're the godfather of even hip hop and
right.
dancehall. Yeah.
So that's the thing. So that's the thing. We you know, we have a video that we're going to play, and then I guess we're going to talk a little bit more. But you know, let's take a look at this video.
Of one of the greatest DJs in our culture, Daddy URoy.
Thank you, sir.
And I was thinking, and I was saying to myself, who would be the first person to do the honors of crowning Daddy URoy at his official crowning tonight? And then I thought, and it came to me.
Yeah.
I'm not even going to say his name. I am just going to say, welcome on stage. Shh.
I'm not invisible, no, Mr. Chain, don't you?
Daddy URoy, let me hold this.
Yeah, man. Everything cool.
Blessed love.
Let me hold this. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me.
Looking at this, sir. Respect, Mr. Chain. Chain looking at Mr. Chain. All right? Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you. So can I look around all those you put on this crown?
Order beats!
Yeah!
To the godfather of the music, to the father who set it. We're foundational,
Big up Shabara.
we're aspirational, we're inspirational. One and only the greatest DJ of all times. Daddy Roy, you hear me, father? Paper, God's greatest creation towards our music. We will never, ever see or have another man for represent the music like Daddy Roy. You see, Bishamaya, I am from Kingston 11. And Daddy Roy, let me tell you what me get from Daddy Roy.
A man is just a man. Cry, father.
You see when Daddy Roy do the combination. You see me I deal with? And to how Daddy Roy introduce the music. Do you hear what the man say, baby?
Yeah.
With him and John out, it teach Shabba say, whenever you're doing a combination with another artist, you must always introduce your record.
That's what I be telling my artists all the time.
Me get that from Daddy Roy, I'm lay it out straight.
That's what I'm.
Oh God!
Oh my gosh!
Like I've seen this video a couple times.
Yeah.
And it's actually, for me, I like when we actually show our artists, these legends, the appreciation before they transition.
Yeah, man. Give them the crown while they're here.
Not after, because they
Yeah.
can't appreciate it then, but now, like when they're around with us, because there are a couple legends who have passed on in the last couple of months. We lost the godfather of reggae, and now the godfather of dancehall, and he's also / the godfather of hip hop.
Yeah.
You know, so.
Trust me, but
I love it.
you know, as Beenie Man said, the legacy of Daddy URoy lives on. So I mean, condolences to his family and you know all the close friends. And I know the industry, they're still kind of taking it a little hard and stuff, but I'm sure there will be different ways to celebrate his legacy through music. So.
Yeah, I think we definitely should. I definitely should be celebrating their legacy more than their passing, their transition, because we will transition one day or another.
Everybody must.
But the legacy, the gift that you get, and the work that you put behind that gift, that's the legacy you're going to leave. So celebrate that. So I can always smile and say, Daddy URoy.
Yeah.
Big up yourself.
Yeah.
This is what you did. And you understand? And, you know, a man is just a man. Cry,
Cry, Daddy
That
URoy.
lady, though, her commentary on the video was absolutely fabulous. But all legends, you know, big up yourself. Anyway, the government is projecting to spend 830 or over $831 billion to finance the affairs of the country for the 2021-2022 financial year. Now, this is a reduction when compared to the previous fiscal year. How many zeros that?
I want to slap my chest on.
That's what, 9 zeros? $830 billion.
Yeah.
And there's a breakdown in the spend, so we do see where it makes sense on paper. Let's hope they spend it the right way, but with...
Which is the most important thing.
Yeah,
you
because
know,
last year we didn't earn a lot because
Yeah.
of COVID. You know, our two main sectors that we earn from, we earn through tourism and through our overseas person settings monies in.
Remittances.
Right.
Right.
You know, that took a blow.
Yeah, and it was kind of expected though, because even last year, you know, different countries were talking about, you know, what their fiscal year would look like,
Yeah.
and it was expected that 2021, even
Right.
2022, there would be a reduction in the spend for many countries. So I wasn't very surprised. I think now more than ever we have to be fiscally responsible.
Yeah.
You know, so yeah.
It's because me not have no fiscal for last year.
Oh, yeah, fiscal, stay ready.
Fiscal stay good. I just ask for no please. I don't know if you can allocate something out of the budget.
You know what I mean?
On behalf of the baby soup.
Yes, especially, and you know what, especially our industry as well. You know, our entertainment industry has taken a blow.
Yes.
A proper blow.
I
So,
am a little disappointed that up to this date, we haven't heard anything that's directed towards us in
Yeah.
the entertainment industry. And I mean,
I hope something is in the budget, in the fiscal, but I just want to say that I hope on one of the spreadsheets, in one of the lines, like entertainment have an allocated budget.
Listen, yes, when they say this, when somebody does this, I hope.
Yes.
Yes, the elbow. I hope there's a line
God,
item.
I don't say a line item for us. Boy, that's all for our trending topics, guys. Woo. Much more to come. Well, hear what? That's an 8-year-old author joins us after the break. An 8-year-old author, you know, like an 8-year-old, the person's an author. Yeah. Stay with us.
Sound and tell the
That's
people
what I-
about the physical